Want to increase your average order value and offer additional services that buyers actually want? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add gig extras that complement your main services and boost your earnings on every order. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Gig extras are powerful tools for upselling and providing additional value to your buyers. When used strategically, they can significantly increase your revenue while giving customers exactly what they need. Let me show you how to set them up effectively. First, access your gig editor and navigate to the Add Extra section. Here you'll see options to create additional services that buyers can purchase alongside your main gig packages. Identify valuable extras that naturally complement your core service. Think about what additional features or accelerated services your buyers frequently request. Common extras include faster delivery, additional revisions, source files, or complementary services. Price your extras strategically based on the value they provide. Faster delivery might command a premium price, while additional revisions could be moderately priced. Make sure your pricing reflects the extra work involved while remaining attractive to buyers. Create clear, compelling descriptions for each extra. Explain exactly what the buyer gets and how it benefits them. Use action-oriented language like, "Get your files 2 days faster," or "Receive 2 additional revision rounds for perfect results." A crucial pro tip: limit your extras to 3 to 5 highly relevant options to avoid overwhelming buyers. Monitor which extras are most popular and consider promoting them in your gig description. Also, occasionally review and update your extras based on buyer feedback and changing market demands. And just like that, you've created additional revenue streams that enhance your buyer's experience while increasing your earnings. Strategic gig extras make it easy for customers to get exactly what they need while boosting your average order value. If this guide helps you create more effective gig extras, please give it a like. What's been your most popular gig extra? Share your successful add-ons in the comments below. To continue optimizing your service delivery, subscribe for our next video on how to set delivery times on Fiverr Gigs. Thanks for watching.